wholesaling.com, where we show you how to make money online and offline so you can quit your 9-to-5 job.
Oh my God! Wow!
Today we're going to be going over some tutorials on Propstream to show you how to find some cash buyers, real cash buyers, not the fake cash buyers, the real cash buyers. It's too much talking, man. Let's get to it. Alright, y'all know what this is. It's Propstream. It's the #1 system used, but you're looking for cash buyers, list pulling, and everything like that. So what you want to do is go on Propstream, go on Propstream.com, get your membership if you're just starting out. They got a 7 or 14 days. One of them, I'll leave it in the description below. Just check out the description, and it's gonna have the exact amount of free trial that you can use, but you want to use it just to get started. So we're gonna put in an area code that you're looking to buy in, right? I mean that you're looking to wholesale. All right. So this is what you want to do. All right. So there's 11,787 properties. That's entirely too many. So what you want to do is you want to actually put in these filters. So unoccupied, but no, you can, and just drop down to 5,305, right? Occupancy status, you can leave this alone. Property characteristic. Now you want to match up whatever property you're looking for. Wholesale deal, let's just say that it's residential, single family, or multifamily in the area. Now, if you have a wholesale deal that's a single family, keep it a single family. If it's a multifamily, keep it a multifamily. Groups on groups, apples to apples, oranges to oranges. Now, how many houses? I mean, how many bedrooms? Is the main thing in bathrooms. So if it's 3 bedrooms, just put minimum of 3. And bathrooms, if it's a 1, put 1. If it's a 2, put 2. All right, put 2. Right. So now look, we're down to 622. Now, year built. Whatever year it is built, you're going after older houses. So let's say this house was built in 1950. You'll want to put 1940 to 1960. It's about 1950, I'm sorry. It's about the range. Now you're down to 139. Now remember, we went from 11,000 to 539. Right? Now here's the sweet MLS status. You can leave that alone for cash buyers. Ownership info. Now Propstream added this number of properties on. This is killer. So you want to put somebody that owns more than one. Let's show you the real cash buyers. I like to use 5, but 2 can be good. So let's see with 5 and let's see what comes up with in this area. Look at it, 60 properties where they own more than one property. So that means they're buying in this area for sure. For sure. And then you can add valuation and equity info, at least 30%. See what we come up with. 53. It ain't gonna change much because that's pretty much the buying criteria. So this is what I want to do. I would leave this. Let me see about that. I'll take a screenshot. Screenshot this for y'all. Try to leave a copy. There we go. Bam. I'll try to leave a copy of that for y'all somewhere in the description. Just check the description below. If I don't be able to put it up while I put up the video, I'll have it loaded up later. So just check back. And don't forget, make sure you give this video a like if you believe that this can help you and actually get you to move into some more wholesale deals. Just make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, man. Make sure y'all subscribe and hit the notification bell so you could be warned of all my videos as they come up, so y'all can get the latest and greatest wholesale strategies to use for your business, man. So let's make sure you hit the subscribe button, the like button, and notification bell so you can be notified as soon as our videos drop. You heard me? Let's get it. Pretty much what you need, and you'll just change this around. If it was a duplex, twoplex, threeplex, just change this around and just put that in as property types. Just remember, stick the apples and apples, oranges to oranges, you know, and this is gonna show you the real cash buyers. And oh, I forgot one thing. Uh, this is another sweet thing that you can use as well. You don't have to do this, but because when you put in multiple properties, this is just showing you all the owners that own multiple that's buying. But what you can do is add this. I'll tell you, this doesn't matter. You can put because they're gonna buy it in might be trust or corporate, anything, right? Years of ownership. You can change this and just put in one. See what it comes up with. Look at it, it doesn't change much. Doesn't change much. It's showing you all the property owners in there. Let's click on it. Let's click on one to see, just to show you all right quick. Cash sale is showing the property, showing last sale date, how much, 75,000. Buyer Vincent Williams, and bought it from Newton Herbert. And let's see, there you go. This is what you click, linked properties. Look at this, total properties on 31. It's a serious buyer. Serious buyer. So you'll want to send him some mail or give him a call, because he owns a lot of property. So you got it, man. So that's it for the video, man. Just showing y'all what you can do with real estate. Look at this. What you can do with real estate, and how you can actually make some good money, man, and get you some deals done through wholesaling. Trust me, it's a cash cow once you learn the game. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe below, make sure you hit the notification bell. Y'all have a good one. Peace.